Nice inclusion is the fingerprint reader embedded in the power button. It works well and is very useful when you don't want to sign in with a PIN, but also don't want to have your camera on for Windows Hello. Basically, very convenient, and I like it. Moving on to the keyboard, it has 4 levels of backlight, easily adjustable from the F1 function key. From very dim, perfect in very low light scenarios, to pretty bright, which I guess works well in a classroom. In any case, it is highly appreciated.